The Application section gives you access to a number of monitoring and management tools. Go to Application Real-Time to see the current state of your contact center in real time. You can see a list of activities, users, pauses, and queues. You can filter out only the information you need using the filters at the top of the screen or using the checkboxes above the filters and the Activities and User sections. The Activities section displays a list of your contact center's open activities. You can filter activity types using the checkboxes at the top of the section. Use the handshake icon to filter activities where the customer is currently speaking or chatting to an agent. If the activities contact is saved in the CRM module, click this icon to view their customer journey, a history of their communication with your contact center. There are 3 important times for each activity: customer's waiting time, length of the interaction with the agent, and the agent's total processing time of the activity. Click the icons in the Actions column to start call monitoring, send a notification to the user that is handling the activity, open the activity details, or to end the activity. We will cover those functions in more detail further in this lesson. The Users section displays your contact center's users. Click a column title to sort the table by that column. Click the filter in the Name column to add the user to the main page filters. Users can have the following states: idle, paused, unready, and logged out of Daktela. These are displayed next to individual users as well as in the checkboxes above the Users section. You can see how long users have been in their current state in the State Time column and what activities they have open in the Activities column. In the Extension column, you can see the state of the user's phone line. It can be online and available for a call, busy with an ongoing call, or unavailable if there's no device that can handle the call. In the heading of the Devices and Queues columns, use the switch to toggle between the total number of devices and queues the user is logged into or their full list. The Pauses section displays the pauses that are currently being used by users in your contact center, whether those pauses are paid, how many users are using them, and a list of those users. The Queues section displays the queues that are currently being used by at least one user in your contact center. Click a column title to sort the table by that column. Click the filter in the Queue column to add the queue to the main page filters. For each queue, there is an overview of the total number of users, as well as numbers of users who are available, speaking, or on pause. This is followed by the Activities overview, including the total number of ongoing activities in the queue, along with the number of waiting activities, and the longest time an activity had to wait in the queue before being handled by a user. Using call monitoring, you or a user you select can listen in on other users' call activities. Click its icon in the Actions column of a call, and the Monitor on User dialog will open. Select which user will listen in on the activity. You can select yourself or another user. This can be helpful when you are training new employees who can learn from more experienced ones. Click Monitor. The user you have selected will receive a call on the device they are logged into in Daktela. Accept it to start monitoring. To end monitoring, simply hang up. Use notifications to send a message to the user that is handling an activity. Click this icon in the Actions column of an activity to send a notification to the user that is handling it. The Your Notification dialog will open. Select the severity and the time interval of the notification. Check Toast to display the notification in the bottom right corner of the user's screen, or Calendar to display it in the user's calendar. If you uncheck both Toast and Calendar, the notification will not be displayed anywhere. Type your message and click Save to send it. In the next lesson, we will discuss fax and SMS servers in Daktela.